Namaste, my dear ICMA members. It's a great pleasure and privilege to connect with you once again in the topic of profit leadership. So, we have been discussing in various sessions in the past on the topic of profit leadership. Just to quickly recap, profit leadership is an approach where the leadership team is taking the responsibility of ensuring that all the profit leakages are arrested in the organization and thereby progressively it starts enjoying the entitlement profit. So that is the essence of the topic of profit leadership. And in this context, we have identified quite a number of profit drivers. When I say profit drivers, they are ultimately deciding the opportunity for the organization to realize its profit. One of the profit driver that we have discussed in the beginning is inventory, which consumes a significant amount of working capital. So we have seen how the inventory optimization can happen with the application of DDMRP system, which is an upcoming methodology all over the world. In the session 2, we wanted to discuss, which is essentially the manufacturing cost optimization. With any plastic processing industry, the major cost elements are coming from inventory, which consumes the working capital and the cost of money to service the organization. Second is the conversion cost, which we spoke in the last video. And the third aspect that we are going to discuss in the next session, forthcoming, that will be on the material cost optimization. The reason why material cost optimization is considered to be a profit driver, for the simple reason, in any plastic processing industry, which is generally operating on the B2B scenario, the design is given by the customer in most of the cases, except the mold design and mold manufacturing becomes the scope of the business. So the plastic process always has got the disadvantage of having a major cost component, which is the material, which is consumed during the course of the manufacturing processes. So like the manufacturing productivity, which we talked about in the manufacturing cost optimization, a material productivity is extremely important in order to ensure that the value of material that we are pumping into the system, which is ultimately realized in the form of a saleable component. So material cost being the major element of the cost driver that decides the profitability, we are going to discuss in the material cost optimization session how the material accountability can be improved, how the material utilization can be improved, and what are the various techniques that are available in terms of trying to see the material productivity is the highest possible. So as we are learning the various techniques as well as the methodologies that can be applied in the plastic processing industry, in the material cost optimization, we will present you a number of different methods by which we can try to optimize the material cost, which decides our ultimate profitability. Thank you very much. Look forward to meeting you again in the material cost optimization session, as we have seen in the other areas of cost optimization. Thank you very much. See you again. God bless you. Take care. Stay safe. Good day.